right, Chef Marcello, are you ready to put some toppings on this pizza?
Yes.
Let's do it. I'm gonna start with the cheese. Is that what you start with?
Yeah, usually I start with the cheese and then we go on.
Beautiful. All right. Is your pizza a heart?
Yes.
Awesome.
Since it's a little small, I'm making this one for my mom.
Oh, that's awesome. Beautiful. Are you done with the cheese?
Yep.
Let's put it down. What's your next topping? I'm putting some asparagus here, and I'm gonna make a star. There we go.
I don't think I'm going to put any asparagus.
Okay, go for whatever you want. We got the olives, we got the mushrooms, we got some onions. Ooh, bell peppers, huh?
Bell peppers are me, my mom's, and I hope my dad's favorite.
Nice. I am going to, yes, beautiful. I think with mine, I'm going to make a design. So the middle of my star here will have some of these onions.
I'm making a design too.
You are. Beautiful. Let's get creative. Why not? And then I'm going to put one dot of olive.
Actually, maybe not. I'm not going to do a design.
Okay.
I'm just kind of going to go crazy with the bell pepper.
Okay. Anything else for you?
Olives and mushrooms, basically. That's it.
Basically. All right.
Like I said, I did love putting this on, so.
Beautiful.
I cut it, I put it on.
Okay. Ooh, how am my mushrooms gonna fit into this design? There we go. I like making patterns. Do you wanna use the mushrooms?
I'll take a few more, thank you.
Beautiful. All right. I think we're done. Give me a high five here. Yeah, ooh. Yeah, leftover toppings are the best snacks. Beautiful. Should we put this in the oven? Okay.